In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix duplicate deposits on QuickBooks Online. If you've encountered this issue, you know how frustrating it can be. Duplicate deposits can throw off your accounting and lead to confusion down the line. So, let's go through a detailed process on how you can resolve this problem effectively and efficiently. First, you're going to need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks dashboard. This is your command center, where all your financial data comes together. From here, look for the Sales tab in the left-hand menu. This tab is a powerful tool when it comes to managing everything related to sales, including invoices. It's key to identifying and fixing any duplicates. So, go ahead and click on the Sales tab, and then navigate to the Invoices section. This is where you'll see a complete list of all the invoices that have been issued to your customers. Now, take a few moments to scroll through this list. Your goal here is to spot any duplicate invoices. Sometimes they can sneak in there without you even noticing, causing issues with deposits. Once you identify a duplicate, focus your attention on the right side of the invoice entry. You'll see a drop-down menu there. Clicking on this will present you with additional options for managing this particular invoice. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select More Actions. This option will open up a variety of commands related to your invoices. You're looking for the Delete option, which is essential for removing any unwanted duplicates from your records. It's important to be sure about the duplicate status because the next step is irreversible. So, double-check the invoice details and then click on Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm this step to ensure it's not done by mistake. It's a straightforward prompt. You simply need to click Delete again to confirm the action. By doing this, you've completed the process of removing the duplicate invoice from your records. This simple yet crucial step resolves any deposit issues the duplicate might have caused. With that, you've successfully learned how to fix duplicate deposits in QuickBooks Online. It's a straightforward process that, when done correctly, can save you a lot of hassle. As a best practice, I'd recommend regularly reviewing your invoices to prevent these issues from occurring in the first place. A little diligence goes a long way in maintaining clean financial records. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Keep managing those accounts with confidence, and have a great day.